Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a common task for Samsung Smart TV owners, deleting apps. Whether you want to free up space or simply tidy up your home screen, knowing how to delete apps on your Samsung Smart TV is essential. Stick around as we walk you through the steps. Step 1. Accessing the apps panel. Firstly, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. Press the Home button to bring up the Smart Hub. Here, you'll find a variety of apps displayed on your screen. Step 2. Selecting the app to delete. Next, navigate to the app you want to remove. Use the directional pad on your remote to highlight the app icon. Make sure it's selected. Step 3. Opening the options menu. Now press and hold the Enter button on your remote. This action will open a menu with several options related to the app. Step 4. Deleting the app. Scroll down and select Delete from the menu options. Confirm your choice when prompted to delete the app. Your Samsung Smart TV will remove the app from the system. Step 5. Exiting the menu. Finally, press the Home button again to exit the menu and return to your Smart Hub. You'll notice that the app you deleted is no longer visible on your screen. Conclusion: that's it. Deleting apps on your Samsung Smart TV is a straightforward process that helps keep your TV experience organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.